Hey there, Chantelay here. Are you ready for some financial tips? Stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Guys, this is Chantelay from Made by Chantelay TV. After I learned how to use credit cards, I began to take advantage of every little thing that they offer. With this Best Buy promotion that they have out right now, if you do not have Best Buy credit card, go and get you one, or just simply follow the rules and how I use and make credit cards work for me. And this is OPM, using other people's money. So here you see, for a limited time, pay attention to that, get promotional financing. So you can use this card if you activate this offer. So you need to activate this offer by February 25. Okay, and you have 6 months to pay off whatever you decide to use. And no matter when you start this promotion, you need to have everything paid off by December 31st. So this is what I do. I follow the rules. When you follow the rules, you get better advantages, and you don't have to be stuck with paying high interest. Look here, you can see no interest. If that's the condition, you guys, you need to stay in the rules. If paid in full within 6 months on each eligible purchase, $299 or more. This is when a budget comes in place and you need to know how much can you spend. Let's go to the calculator. Let's say you are wanting to spend $1,000. If you're spending $1,000 and you only have 6 months or however many months you decided to do this up until December, you will need to pay $166 a month.
I hope that information was helpful. I know it may have seemed a little bit elementary, but it's just as simple to me. And also, a tip that I use, I do not use debit cards. Okay, if I'm going to use other people's money, I'm going to use other people's money. And with this, I will budget and make sure that I am not going over my budget and overextending on that credit card just because I got 6 months. You need to know exactly how much you can pay on this credit card every month so you are not left behind with interest. That's the whole point of this. That's how we use credit cards over here at Made by Chantelay TV. And that's what I'm teaching my community about credit cards. Credit cards are not bad. You just need to follow the rules, and whatever they say, that's what you need to do in order to not be paying interest. Also, another tip, I don't know if I said this already, but do not dip and dab between two pots of money. You either use your money, your debit card, or you use the credit card, but do not do both on these things. I only use credit cards, therefore I expect that money to be in my account by the time this payment needs to be paid at the end of the month. Okay? Hey, you guys, thanks so much for sticking to the end. This is Chantelay. Please leave me a like, a comment, or subscribe if you found this information at all helpful.